Man, what is up, everybody? Y'all check this out right here, man. I got a 1991 Ford. Don't know if it's a Ford F-150 or 250. I really don't even care. But it's to the point to where now, man, I done crushed so many damn Fords, it's not even funny. Just last year, I just crushed the 85 Ford F-150 4x2 Explorer truck. And then on top of that, I end up throwing like 8 more Ford trucks along with that truck. And now here we go. Crushing another one. Oh, man. Boy, I tell you, man, the crushing game never stops. There's no telling what it's going to bring you every single day. It is no telling. Stinks off in here, too. I tell you. Just don't make no sense. Like I always tell everybody, welcome to the crushing game, baby. Man, to be honest with you guys, I'm almost out of cars over here to crush, to be honest with you guys, for real. Y'all know what time it is.